Lwesithathu nangolwesine bekunodaba olusenkantolo lapho uJacinta Ngobese oganele kwaZuma ubethathe uPresident Ramaphosa wamusa enkantolo mayelana nodaba oluthinta i-National Dialogue. Ibonile nje kancane kule channel ekuthiwa i-MDN TV udaba lakhona, kodwa ngathi ngiyalilandelela ngathi ukuthi angiqondi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngavele ngalishiya phansi ngathi angiyeke lento ngingakhulumi ngayo. Okunye futhi engingakuthandi ngaleya channel noma inama-updates but kunalento abayenzayo yokuthi enkantolo makukhulunywe 20 minutes kodwa uma ubuka ivideo yabo uthola ukuthi ivideo yabo idlale 4 hours ngoba lobaphinda-phinda into eyi-1 belobaphinda-phinda into ugcina ungazazi ukuthi ukuphi. Iyona nto yenza ukuthi ngingalilandeli nje mangibheka ngabona ukuthi amanye ama-channel awali-broadcast lolu daba ngathi angiliyeke. Kanti-ke naye uJacinta azange aze akhulume ngalo, even naku-social media platforms wakhe akaze akhulume ngalo. Kodwa-ke kunesinqumo esinjalo ebebesithathile, kodwa udaba lakhona lithinta i-National Dialogue. Yonke inkinga ekhona emhlabeni noma yiphi ixazululwa ngokuthi kuhlalwe phansi kukhulunywe noma yiphi, noma kungenzakalani. Uyazi ukuthi abantu uma sebelwile babulalana funa kuhlangana abantu abathize bahlale phansi bakhulume, bathelelana amanzi, bakhumelana umlotha, baxolelane noma yiphi inkinga ukuze ixazululeke ifuna kuhlalwe phansi kuboniswane. Uma uthola abantu ababili bezoxabana noma bangashana baze babukane kodwa ngeke ixazululeke impi yabo uma bengakakhulumi, nomunye aveze ukuthi wena weyini wena wobani kanjani. Ngakho-ke i-National Dialogue inaso isidingo sokuthi uma uhulumeni eveza ithuba elinjalo ukuthi ake kukhulunywe, abantu abake banikwe ithuba lokuba bakhulume ukuze nalaba bakahulumeni bezozwa kukwazi ukuthi kuxoxwe nje nge-South Africa. Ngiyazi ukuthi lona umbono owuze no-former president uThabo Mbeki ukuthi i-South Africa idinga ukuba ne-National Dialogue la kuzokhulunywa khona ngazo zonke izinto ezenzeka e-South Africa, nanokuthi abantu base-South Africa bakhulume ukuthi bafuna ukubona i-South Africa ikuphi eminyakeni ewu-10, eminyakeni ewu-50, eminyakeni ewu-100. Ngoba bathi if you fail to plan you are planning to fail. Uma nje uwumuntu ozosebenza nje ungenalo isu lokuthi ufuna ukuyaphi. Ngiye ngezwa umkhwenyana kaJacinta ethi bona njenge-March and March bane-5 year plan, bane-10 year plan. Abezi ukumasha njalo. Uze washo njengoba bebemashe ngolwesine ukuthi manje sebezokhipha i-hotline lapho khona uma wena ubona into enziwa amaphoyisa ethatha imali kuma-foreigner usuzokwazi ukubathinta, uthatha ama-details ubanikeze bekwazi ukuthi lelo daba balilandelele baboshwe abantu ngoba izinto lezi kuthiwa funa zenziwe ngomthetho. Yenye yezindlela lezi uzama ukuthi akuliwe ne-corruption, landela umthetho. Kukhona kubhuti engidibane nevideo yakhe wachaza kahle-ke lolu daba olusenkantolo, walichaza nami ngaluzwa ukuthi nansi into ebikhulunywa. Yingakho-ke ngenza le video ukupha nje update ukuthi nansi into ebikhulunywa, udaba lihamba kanje. Ngaphambi uba ngifake leyo video kezosichazela ukuthi yini le bikhulunywa enkantolo. Kunevideo kaDino McPherson owu-Minister we-Public Works and Infrastructure. Ukhulume something ebalulekile ngoba abantu bambuzile ukuthi uwe phela ophethe i-Public Works uzoyakha nini ibhoda ukuze sibe nenkinga singeze ukuba nenkinga ukuthi abantu beqe beze la eSouth Africa, uzoyakha nini ibhoda. Wakuphendula kanje.
If I get one message a day, I get 100 messages a day from people online saying, when am I going to build the border fence? I went up there last week with the IMC, and it was, I'm going to be frank with everyone, it was shocking what I saw up there. I mean, there literally is no border in some places. I was told that there was a really highly developed electric fence, that the electric fence had been turned off because when you touch that fence, it was designed to, let me use a polite word, incapacitate you as an individual. it was then turned off because it was found to be in violation of people's human rights. So you could cross the border illegally, but you couldn't be stopped to. And I found that quite strange. I also saw the washing line, which has now been turned into just a ball of metal in a dump site next to that. And let me say, I mean, I'm not a spokesperson for the IMC, but I think that there is general support amongst political parties in the government and amongst us in the IMC that this issue has to be addressed, and it has to be addressed urgently. When I stood there on the banks of the Limpopo River and saw people over the river waving at us, and, you know, it was extraordinary. And when we left, they just continued with their, with their job. The most proactive part of that border was a crocodile that was lying on the rock there, and that is literally it. So we understand the frustrations of South Africans. We've got to do something about it. But what we did at Messina with the temporary repatriation facility is something quite extraordinary. We have created a humane, dignified facility for people that want to leave the country. I was in Durban yesterday. I was at the Durban drive-in site. It is emotional and heartbreaking to see the difficulties that people have in trying to leave the country. Children, women, putting their bags together. And of course, no person should be in this country unlawfully or illegally, but we also need to facilitate their exit in a dignified way.
Ngesikhathi sokubusa kahulumeni wamabhunu kwakune-electric fence ukuze abantu kungabi lula ukweqa ukuthi beze South Africa. Kodwa uma kuthatha umbuso uthathwa i-ANC, kwase kuvela lento eshiwo uTino Macpherson athi naye ifike yamxaka kwathiwa no, ukuba khona kwaleya electric fence kuphambene namalungelo wabantu ngoba umuntu uma eyithinta uyashona. Human rights kanjani ngoba iborder vele ikhandwela ukuthi umuntu angayithinti, angasondeli. Uyithinta umuntu ngoba sekwenze njani, ubuyithinta kusho ukuthi ubenza into ubengafanele abe lapha ya. Uma ngabe befuna ukuthi South Africa phela bawungena ngesanga, akuna fence la kunesango khona. Le reason yabo angiyazi mina ukuthini. And ukuyicisha kwabi yona lento eyenza ukuthi abantu bangene njengoba besho ukuthi bababonile abantu babawavela ngoba ngisho amasosha once beqa nje abantu babangala isosha le South Africa lisenalo ilungelo lokuthi limbophe noma lingambona ukuthi wenzani. Ingakho labantu bababukile nje balinda ukuthi benze noma yini abayenzayo bese bezokwazi ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi wabo wokuthi baweze izinto noma baweza abantu noma bawele bona beze South Africa. Abayitsila bathatha izinto ngapha bazisale noma bathatha izinto le basiletha ngapha. Inkinga nje khona kodwa yadalwa uhulumeni ka-ANC. Lo hulumeni ka-ANC wayivulela yena lenkinga ekhona. Awukwazi ukuthi ngathiwa against human rights lento le. Engane kuma estate la abahlala khona kunama electric fence. Benzela khona ukuthi ungakwazi ukweqa. Waye kungashiwo ukuthiwa awacishwe lama electric fence ngoba against ama human rights. Ingoba afuna kuphephe ezindlini la kuhlala khona bona kodwa izwe lingaphephi. Yane bese uyahlala ungavoti ngomhla ka4 ngoba afuna sikhiphe iANC emandleni kuwo wonke ama metro afuna iANC iphume emandleni kubo bonke omasipala. Kodwa ke angeke ngisho lutho ngoba uyasijabulela wena isimo lesi senzakala ingakho uzoqhubeka uvotela iANC futhi ingakho uzohlala ungavoti. Angicaphunele nansi ivideo ezosichazela kabanzi ngodaba luka Jacinta nopresident nenkantolo.
Bafutha asikhandi ziyenzeka. Usisi Jacinta usevunwe inkantolo kweyakhe nomengameli. Mhlawumbe ke abanye benu bayadideka bayabona nje kupostwa kujatshulwa ukuthi ke uMangobese uwine icase ebisenkantolo phakathi kwakhe nepresidency and niyazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. Lalela kungathembela kimi ukuthi ngikucacisele mina ukuthi yini eyenzakalayo. Ngo-2025 kwenzekile ukuthi umengameli amemezele ukuthi kuzoba khona i-national dialogue. ufuna ukuthi asungule ikomiti elibizwa nge-Steering Committee, National Dialogue Steering Committee. Yikomiti leli ke uma ngabe ufuna ukuliqonda noma mhlawumbe ke isigungu lesi esimumethe ikakhulukazi inhlaka ezihlukahlukene ezibalekile eNingizimu Afrika. I-business sector i-represented, i-labor sector i-represented lapho, civil society, faith-based organization, nokunye-ke ku-represented. Kwenzekile-ke ukuthi uma ngabe ziqala iy'nhlelo zokuthi-ke kuyanominathwa abantu abazomela iy'nhlaka ezihlukahlukene, ebese ke bekhishelwa ngaphandle abantu abanjengomangobese, iMasheni Mashi kanjalo nezinye inhlangano zikhishwa inyumbazana ke kuphi khona kulolu hlelo. Zikhishwa inyumbazana nje zayikade zifakiwe noma igama lazo lezi inhlangano liphakanyisiwe ekuthenini zizoba ingxenye nazo yale National Dialogue. Now i-National Dialogue ibaluleke kakhulu ngoba izobe izoveza iy'nselelo iNingizimu Afrika ebhekene nazo, kuphinde futhi kuhlongozwe nezixazululo ekungenzeka ziphumelele. Okusho ukuthi le National Dialogue izoshape i-future ye-South Africa, ngoba izo-influencer iy'nqumo nemithetho engabekwa ukuze kulungiswe izimo ezithize esibhekene nazo. Kuthena-ke mangabe-ke uSisi Jacinta ekhishwa inyumbazana, wabe sethatha isinqumo-ke sokuthi udaba akaluse enkantolo. Nala khona-ke efike inkantolo yamvuna. Lalelani-ke khona lento izonicacela. Akusikhona ukuthi uwine icala ngokokuthi sekutholakala ukuthi ugovernment likhona mhlambe iphutha noma kungekho emthethweni akwenzile. Sesikhuluma-ke ngepresident to be specific, ukuthi kukhona yini ekwenzile okungekho emthethweni. Kodwa-ke izinto abekhala ngazo uSisi Jacinta ukuthi lolu hlelo kwakuthenjiswe ukuthi luzoba inclusive, luzoba transparent. Yena kusethi sekusobala ukuthi alukho inclusive, alukho transparent, yabona. Kodwa-ke lokho akusho ukuthi manje sekusho ukuthi ipresidency khona into etholakala ukuthi mhlambe iyenzile engekho emthethweni. Kunalokho uSisi Jacinta inkantolo emnikezele khona ilento ekuthiwa i-relief, okusho ukuthi lo relief imnikezela ukuthi aqhubeke aparticipate ey'nhlelweni zokulungiselela le National Dialogue, kusazonominethwa-ke ngokusemthethweni bonke abantu abadingakalayo ukuthi babe yingxenye yayo. Okusho ukuthi njengamanje njengoba ezoqhubeka participate usebhekwe umthetho, okusho ukuthi ipresident now is binded by law ukuthi imvumele aparticipate. Nayi into ayiwinile ngoba ekuqaleni bebekwazi ukuthi bamkhiphe inyumbazana nje because ibingekho into ebibhalwe phansi nento mhlawumbe ebigunyazwa umthetho ukuthi abe yingxenye. Yikho bekulula ukuthi bamkhiphe inyumbazana. Ukuthi bamkhiphela inyumbazana asazi ngoba ikakhulukazi kuleli komiti indima bezoyidlala yena bekuzoba ukurepresenta i-immigration sector, nokuyindawo-ke a-strong kuyo kakhulu nangenhlangano yakhe iMasheni Mashi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi usuyaqonda manje ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba asiyikhandi ziyenzeka.
Nami sengiyaqonda manje, ngiyethemba nawe usuyaliqonda lolu daba. Kodwa-ke ngakutshela mina isizathu esenza ukuthi bamkhiphe inyumbazana yingoba bayamazi ukuthi ulwa nodaba lwama-illegal immigrants, kanti bona bayalithanda lolu daba, ingakho bengamfuni ukuthi abe yingxenye yabantu abazokhuluma nabantu abazoba nezwi. Njengoba kuhlelwa laphaya ikhuluma ezobe yiqavile, abantu okwazi ukuthi odabeni oluthize bazokhuluma, kuhlelwa kusemanje. Ingakho-ke bemkhipha inyumbazana, yingoba angithi ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi bacisha bona ugesi kodwa uhlukumeza amalungelo wabantu, kodwa la bahlala khona bona ikhona electric fence ayicishiwe, kunanama-security akucishiwe ngoba fanele bona baphephe kodwa izwe lingaphephi. Manje umuntu abaziyo ukuthi uzolwela izwe lase-South Africa ufuna ukwenza kube ne-order, kanti bona bayawathanda lama-illegal immigrants. E-South Africa asinayo inkinga nabantu abavela kwamanye amazwe ngoba nathi siyaya kwamanye amazwe, kodwa sinenkinga nabantu abangena e-South Africa ngokungekho semthethweni. Kodwa ku-government ka-ANC uyabathanda abantu abangena e-South Africa ngokungekho semthethweni. Ngasisupport ukuba member yale channel. ungasisapota ngokusidonethela noma ngamalini, ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe.